Welcome to my channel again. Once for all, I want to show you how to make an income into your wallet for the new year, so that we all benefit for the new year 2024. So once again, you have to subscribe to my channel and then you like the button, so that anytime that I make my video you can get access to it. Okay, so first of all, let's go to my website, and then I'll show you how it works. Okay, as you can see, this is the home page. That's their home page. It's called egyptweb.ss. So if you want the link, you can WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number so that I can give you the link. So here is their office. You click on the plan, you can see, and then this is the withdrawal. You see, this is the plan. Okay, you wait for it to load. Okay, here you can only withdraw, you can only invest with 50 Ghana cedi, and every day you get 5 cedi in addition, and then the total revenue will be 1,500. That's their offers. 100 cedi for 12 cedi daily, and then you see how it is. You see, here it is. So this one is 5,000, and you get 1,100 Ghana cedi for daily income. So let me show you here. Welcome. This is my account. I have 116 Ghana cedi, and then every day they have to give you, for the sign up, 20 Ghana cedi for free. And then this is my team. I get one person where you get a login, and then I make the account. Okay, so first, when you want to withdraw your money in your account, first you have to link your bank account, like which bank you are using. As you see, is the Universal Merchant Bank. Let me come. The bank that you are using, which bank are you using? Is it Unibank, Agri Development Bank, Barclays? Any bank that you are using, you can link it into your account before you can make the withdrawal. So here is the withdrawal section. You click on withdraw. I think the internet has a problem, so you will just wait for a while. Okay, here's the withdrawal. The minimum withdrawal is 50 Ghana cedi, as you can see. So as you put your withdrawal, you have to link your your bank account here. As you already did it, you will link it, and then make the amount that you want to withdraw, and then you withdraw. So everything will be okay for you. So thank you very much for your time. And then as you can see, if you want the link, you can just WhatsApp me so that I will assist you for the link. Okay, thank you very much.